Welcome to the Sounds of Salem, where sounds are bedded for revival. Hope you're ready for what is coming. Get ready for a life-changing and a powerful experience of the Sounds of Salem. Don't forget to turn on your notification, and also don't forget to stream our sound on all platforms. The revival starts now.
I go there for you as you there for me. For me, I go there for you as you there for me. For me, I don't play Ojoro, I don't break your heart, cause I know there's nothing you have for me. I don't play Ojoro, I don't break your heart, cause I know there's nothing you have for me. There's nothing you have for me. Nothing, 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 nothing separate us from you. I don't play with you, I will sing to another. Yahweh, 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 won't I trust on you? I don't play with you. So I do play for you as you did for me. For me, I do play for you as you did for me. For me, I don't play Ojoro, I don't break your heart, cause I know there's nothing you have for me. There's nothing you have. I don't play Ojoro, I don't break your heart, cause I know there's nothing you have for me. There's nothing you have for me. Nothing, nothing, nothing that will separate us from you. I don't play with you, I will sing to my now. Yahweh, 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 put my trust on you. I don't play with you. I do play for you as you play for me. For me, I do play for you as you play for me. For me.
Thank you for tuning into the Sounds of Salem. Don't forget to put on your notification and stream our sounds on all platforms. Until we meet again, let the sound keep burning.